Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to view saved password on your mobile device. Follow these easy steps to view all of your saved passwords. First of all, you have to open a Google app on your phone. You can open Google browser, Gmail, Google Chrome, Google Maps, or any browser. Just open any Google app on your phone and then tap on your Google profile photo at the top right. And here you have to tap on manage your Google account. And now here select security. And under security, scroll down and tap on password manager. And here you will find all of your saved accounts passwords. Now all you have to need, just tap on the account you want to see the password. So let's tap on Instagram. And now you have to verify your Google account. So enter here your Google account password and tap on next. And here you will see your Instagram username and password. To visible your password, just tap on this little eye icon. And to copy your saved password, just tap on this copy icon. And if you're an iPhone user, then here's another option to view your saved password. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on passwords. Verify your Face ID or Touch ID, and here you will find all of your saved password. Just go ahead and open any account and tap on this password option to visible your password. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.